area between curves. وعندنا هذه المسألة let R be the region bounded by the graphs of y equals x squared minus 4 y equals 5 وبسميهم y1 and y2 وهذا لا يغني عن الحق شيئا إن كانك تعمله هيك ما في مشكلة. First sketch the region R و part B find the area of the region R. طيب أذكر دائما بهذه القواعد البسيطة إنه الخطوة الأولى بإمكاننا إنه نجد intersection between the two curves by assuming that in y1 equals y2 or y2 equals y1. It's not a fact. So راح نبدأ بهذه الخطوة إنه نجد intersection between y1 and y2. So I will assume x squared minus 4 equals 5. So x squared minus 4 equals 5. Now to solve this we have two options. We can shift minus 4 here and square root, and we can shift 5 to the left side, which I prefer. I recommend you students to shift 5, make it equal 0. أكيد هذا الحل صح والثاني صح، بس هذا الحل secure ينطبق على كل الحالات بال quadratic equations. So we have x squared minus 4 minus 5 equals 0. I can combine minus 4 to minus 5, so it will be x squared minus 9 equals 0. As you know, x will be 3 or minus 3. And you can solve this even by factorization mentally, by calculator, the way you like. And we find out, there's 2 points of intersection between y1 and y2. One of them when x equals minus 3, the other one when x equals 3. So first we are following the instructions here. So we are done with one, but to sketch the curves on the xy plane. اسمحوا لي بداية إنه نعمل xy plane. As you see, this is x, this is y, and here students, I will start with y1, and maybe I need this sheet. So x squared minus 4. I will separate this function for 2 parts. This one is the first one, which is parent function, fine and everything, and here we have minus 4 minus constant. So hopefully from the previous videos everyone know that this is x squared, this is the parent function, we have to memorize. And minus 4 means I will shift this graph 4 units down, so it will be like this. This is x, this is y, this is 0. If you shift minus 4, it will be something like this. So x squared minus 4, it's not affect students to put minus 4 here or here, it's up to you. So this one is x squared minus 4, and this is y1. I will use different color, maybe red, to represent the other one. Y2 equals 5. 5, we don't have x, nothing, 5 constant. And I wanted to use students in y2 equals 5. It's of course horizontal line, or line, let's say parallel to the x-axis. So we need a line, straight line, parallel to x-axis, and this is y2 equals 5. and definitely here we have minus 4 on the y-axis because of this minus 4, and here 5. By the way, don't pay attention to this or this, just keep in mind for nothing. And here, students, the region between the curves, as you see, this is the closed region, fine and everything. So this is R. This is the region R, and we do know from this step this started from minus 3, the second point of intersection at 3. So A done. Part B, to find the area. How to find the area? A equals لو تفرجنا على هذه الريجن وسألنا سؤال بسيط، من أين تبدأ على الإكس أكسس؟ تبدأ من minus 3 وتنتهي عند 3. Now I need function minus function. The function on the top minus the function on the bottom. And how to know which one on the top, which one on the bottom? You can imagine, students, like a strip, vertical strip, I mean, vertical strip like this. And I'm asking which function on the top, which function on the bottom. Of course, students, the function on the top, this one, the red one, 5, minus the one on the bottom. The one on the bottom, x squared plus 4, not minus 4, because I have here minus in the formula itself, so dx here. We say that minus x squared minus 4, it will be minus x squared plus 4. I just distribute minus directly. Now this is correct, students, not only for this strip, it's correct for each strip in this region. See which one in the bottom, which one in the top, which one in the bottom. This is very, very easy to decide which function on the top, which function on the bottom, and hopefully that everyone understand ليش عملنا this plus, because of this minus. I don't like to write brackets then distribute. Well, you don't have to. Minus, switch the signs. Now, students, I will combine 5 and 4 using the associativity. Minus 4, 5 plus 4, 9 minus x squared dx, and it will be 9 9x minus نترك مسافة بسيطة x cubed, and here 1/3 from minus 3 till 3. Now, students, I will start plug in, replace, substitution, the way you like. I will start with 3, plug in 3, then minus 3 in the same function. So it will be, I will start from here, 9 times 3 minus 1/3 times 3 cubed minus 9 times minus 3 minus 1/3 minus 3 cubed, and you can simply use your calculator to find out the final answer. It will be 9 times 3 minus 1/3, then 3. You can find it mentally, why not, if you are capable to. Minus, I don't know how, I have to repeat my steps. I'm not a professional in this. 9, 3 minus 1 over 3, then 3 to the 3, close the bracket, new one, 9 times minus 3, then minus 1/3, then minus 3 to the power of 3, and we can close this now. And the answer is 36 square units. And this problem, of course, done. Okay. اسمحوا لي الآن أعرض عليكم المسألة التي سوف تلي هذه المسألة، وسوف نتعامل مع هذه المسألة يا أصدقاء. بإمكانك أن تبقى وتتابع الحل. مسألة جميلة وتستحق المتابعة، وشكرا.